Hi students, I'm Maithili. This is NCERT Maths, grade 8, chapter 1, rational number. So in this exercise 1.2, already 4 sums we have completed. Now we are going to see the fifth sum. Just see the fifth question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. So in between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, these two are the rational numbers. In between we have to take 5 rational numbers. Okay, that same method only. Last time I thought no, that same method only we have to take. Just write the solution given 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, these two rational numbers. Now we have to take the LCM for this. Okay, see the denominator values, both the denominator values are different, so we have to take LCM of 3 and 5 as 15. 3 5s are 15. Just multiply that value and take. Okay, now what we have to do, see the denominator value should be similar, then only we can consider the compare the numbers. Okay, we can find out how many numbers are there in between. Okay, so here 2 by 3 is there, no, but we need 15. This denominator value should be take 15. So for that 2 by 3 into this number 3 multiply with 5, then only we'll get 15, right? Okay, so that 5 we have to take in numerator and also the denominator. Now just multiply these two values. Here 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means 3 5s are 15. Same thing, numerator 2 5s are 10. So 10 by 15. Okay, and then just take the second value, that is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 means this number 5 multiply with 3, then only we'll get 15. So 5 3s are 15. See, we need only 15 because 15 is our LCM. Okay, so here 5 3s are 15 and the numerator value 4 3s are 12. Now 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Just compare these two numbers. Both the denominators are same. Okay, and then see the numerator value. This is 10 and this is 12. So just compare these two value. 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. How many numbers in between? 10. After that 11. Okay, 10 by 15 like this. See here, 10 by 15, after that 11 by 15 and then 12 by 15. So from 10 by 15 to 12 by 15 only one number is there, but we need 5 numbers. Okay, so for that what we have to do, again we have to multiply with 2. Okay, just multiply for all the sums, we have to do like this only, multiply with 2 only. So just take the numerator and also the denominator, 2 by 2. Now multiply 2 15s are 30 and then 2 10s are 20. So 20 by 30. Same thing, denominator, I mean next value also. Next value already we had 12 by 15. Now multiply with 2. So 2 by 2. Now 2 12s are 24 and then 2 15s are 30. So now 20 by 30 and 24 by 30. Okay, again just count in between how many numbers are there. 20, after that 21, 22, 23. Okay, then 24. See, we can't take these two numbers, right? 20 by 30 and 24 by 30 we can't consider. In between values only we have to take. So after 20, 21, 22, 23, only 3 numbers are there. Okay, but how many numbers we need? 5 numbers we need. Okay, 5 rational numbers we need. So for that what we have to do, again multiply with 2. Okay, numerator and also the denominator. Now just multiply 2 30s are 60 and then 2 20s are 40. So 40 by 60. Same thing here, 24 by 30. This value also we have to multiply with 2 because one denominator is 60. The same thing we have to take the next denominator also. So 24 by 30 into 2 by 2. Now just multiply these two values. 2 30s are 60 and then 2 24s are 48. Now see the denominator, both are same, 60 and 60. And then see the numerator values 40 and 48. Okay, now we need 5 rational numbers between 40 by 60 and 48 by 60. How is it possible? Right, see here 40 by 60, after 40 by 60, 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60. After that, see here 48, till 48 we can write. Okay, so totally like this, 48, 44, We can take other values also. 44 by 60, 45 by 60, 46, 46 by 60, 47 by 60 and 48 by 60. Okay, totally this much of numbers are there. So in between few numbers we can take. Okay, from 40 to 48. From here 40, this is your 40. After 40, 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 like this. Okay, so we can write first value 41 by 60 and the second value 42 by 60. But here we have written 7 by 10. How it is possible? We have to simplify this value. Okay, see 10 6 times. We have to cancel with 6 table. Okay, so here when we are cancelling this value, we can write 10. 10 6 are 60. Same thing here 7. 7 6 are 46. 42. Okay, same thing here also 43 by 60. That one we can't simplify. So just write as it is. After that here 44 by 60. We have to simplify that. And the next value also we can simplify. If you want means you can simplify it and write, or else directly we can write this answer as it is. Okay. And then see the next question. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2. Previously we did one sum that is lesser than plus 2. Okay, so we have write like that. But here we need rational numbers greater than minus 2. So greater than minus 2 means what we have to do? Just consider the rational number. This is your rational number. The center value is 0 and then 1. 2, 3, 4. Left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Now we have to take the rational numbers greater than minus 2. So this is your smallest value. Okay, greater value means what are all? This 5 numbers we need. We can take this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 numbers we can take minus 1, comma 0, 1, 2 and 3. These 5 rational numbers we have to take and write. Okay, rational numbers, right? That's what we have to write it divided by 2. Every value by 2, by 2, by 2 like that. Okay. See the 7th problem. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So here also they have given 2 rational numbers. So in between we need 10 rational numbers. That same method only. Right, solution given 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Okay, so LCM of 5 and 4 equal to 5 4s are 20. Okay, so our LCM value is 20. Now see the denominator value 5 and 4. So we should make it as 20. Okay, so here 3 by 5. So we have to, this number 5 multiply with which number will get 20? That is 4. Okay, so that 4 only we have to take a numerator and also the denominator. Now 3 4s are 12 and then 5 4s are 20. So 12 by 20. And then consider one more rational number, that is 3 by 4. Okay, just take this 3 by 4. This number also we have to multiply with 5. Then only we will get 20. Okay, so 5 4s are 20. Same thing, numerator value 3 5s are 15. So 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now just compare these two values. See the numerator 12 and 15. So in between how many numbers are there? After 12, 13, 14. Only 2 numbers are there. Okay, but we need 10 rational numbers. So what we have to do? So we have to multiply with 2. 2 by 2 and then here also 2 by 2. Okay, now just multiply 2 12s are 24 and then 2 20s are 40. And then here also 2 15s are 30, 2 20s are 40. Now just compare 24 and 30. Okay, we can't take the initial value and final value. Initial and final value we are not considering. Well, in between how many numbers are there? That only we have to take for the answer. Okay, so after 24 we can take 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, only 5 numbers are there. So this 5 numbers, but we need 10 numbers. So what we have to do? Once again we have to multiply with 2 by 2 and then this value also 2 by 2. Now multiply 2 24s are 48 and then 2 40s are 80. Same thing here, 2 30s are 60, 2 40s are 80. Now just compare 48 and then here 60. So from 48 to 60 so many rational numbers are there. Okay, not only 10, many numbers are there. So we can write like this. Therefore, record rational numbers between 48 by 80 and 60 by 80 are what are all? After 48, 49 by 80, 50 by 80, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. Okay, so we are not considering first value 48 by 80 we are not taking, and then last value 60 by 80 also we are not taking. Okay, so in between this much of numbers are there. We need only 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 numbers we have taken. Okay, thank you.